Alright, here's a quick tip from the Quick Speed Shop. If you're going to cut sheet metal, a nice way to do it that's pretty fast and simple is with a set of electric or pneumatic shears. This is a pneumatic, it's Ingersoll Rand air shears. And what you got is a set of jaws with a two outside jaws and an inside jaw, and the lower jaw moves up and down and cuts the metal. So show you how it works. Now you are going to lose about 1/4 inch of material here, so you always want to make sure you cut on the correct side of your line. I got this 2-inch strip I want, so I'm going to cut on the outside of the line I made. And you just line it up here and go to town. Oop. And you're left with a little curly cue of metal. My shears aren't. Get the tin snips and cut this off. There you have it, the 2-inch strip I wanted. And I just go ahead and cut this little tail off. Need the other-handed shears, this will work. And here's your waste. But basically, that's it. A set of power shears. Now if you're using pneumatic ones, the air hose usually fights you. So I found this swivel air hose mount on the bottom, which allows the hose to bend up out of the way when you're cutting across things. I forget where I've had it for a long time. I forget where I bought it, but it comes in real handy to get the hose up out of the way. But if you're going to be doing a lot of sheet metal, this is 18 gauge. These will cut 16 gauge, no problem. They're about 10-15 years old, and the jaws are a little dull. That's why I had to push a little bit on it, but it still works real good. And here's the part number for the Ingersoll Rand ones, but they make lots of companies make them. Electric works good if you don't have air, and you don't have access to air. You can get electric ones, but these are the freaking nuts for cutting sheet metal out if you're doing big work. So there's your quick tip of the day. Get yourself a set of sheet metal shears.